Alright, this is going to be an instructional video with and without music to explain a series of movements that we do quite often in this dance. I call it the villager's pose, and it's really, really simple. I'm going to show it to you without music first whilst I'm talking. You should start coupe with your back foot and slowly extend it out to a tendu side. At that same time, your arms should open so that one arm is at an extended second and the other arm is above your head here. And you should have a plie. Next, you're going to switch this position, and all you're going to do is shift your weight so that your plie leg is now right and your left leg is now straight, and your arms will switch as well, so that your left arm is lower and your right arm is extended. From this position, you should then raise your left arm whilst coming to Susu so that your arms